Hanging out with
Violet and Vinnie. Hey Violet, do you think it's going to rain all morning? It looks that way, Vinnie. It might rain all day. Oh, but I want to go out and play. Well, what's the fun thing we always do when it rains, Vinnie? Read! Yeah! Do you like stories? We sure do. Let's listen to this one which is read by Vashti Paula and Jolene Bridgelal. It's story time! Rainy days,
I hate rainy days.
sighs Princess Clara.
There's nothing to do and we can't even play in the garden.
Then she has a sudden thought.
I think I've left Dolly outside.
She grabs Unicorn and runs out into the rain. Poor Dolly is sitting on the royal lawn getting wet,
You poor thing.
gasps Clara and scoops up her precious toy. Dolly is soaked. Princess Clara runs back through the rain towards the palace.
Oh, a beautiful rainbow.
She gasps. She doesn't notice a hole in the ground, and she trips and stumbles. Clara's toys fall to the floor. They land at the foot of the rainbow, and something strange happens. The toys start to sparkle and glow, and then begin to move on their own. Clara thinks this is great fun. She twirls and dances in the rain, and Dolly and Unicorn can twirl and dance with her. Together, they run through the palace grounds, skipping and laughing. As Dolly climbs onto a toadstool to perform a pirouette, the rainbow beams down again and catches the toys in its rays. They glimmer once more and begin to get bigger. Princess Clara can't believe her eyes. Unicorn grows and grows until he is big enough for Clara to hop on his back. Dolly leaps and jumps alongside as they all run together. What an adventure! As the rainbow fades, the toys return to normal. Clara scoops them up and goes home to get dry. Now she can't wait for the rainy days to come around again. They're the best. Wow! What a fun story, huh? That Clara has such an imagination. Toys coming alive. Thanks for hanging out with us. See you soon.